Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you a true SMC concept where you can get a profitable trader, or you can be a profitable trader if you follow my video, and I will share with you every guideline. How can you earn from the trading style, and how can you set up your perfect trading style. So first of all, what you have to do if you want to have profitable trading style, or you want to set up your trading, then you need to know first this concept which I am written here. You have to know this concept. So which I am written here, just follow these names. If you don't know, then introduce with you is called BOS, break of structure. H means higher high, higher low. Liquidity, IFC, trendy market, pair, which pair you will doing, or you will select it, choose change of character. Perfect session, which session you will do a perfect setup for your trading. Supply and demand zone. So these all are the main theme for the trading. If you know, or if you can guess this, or if you want to practice these steps, I think your trading will like more accurate. Okay, more accurate. So more accurate. Okay, so this my today my analysis pair will name it GBP USD, Great Britain versus USD. So just introduce with you a market. First you need to know trendy market. Is it trendy market or no, or against trendy, which you are seeing here? You just seeing here, or I am just sharing with you, it's trendy market. It's upward trend, not downward, it's upward trend. Just see here, market will like upward perfectly, and here I'll just selecting BOS, chose trend, liquidity and everything, and demand zone, supply zone. These all features individually I will upload a video in my channel. You can learn from my channel. So for today, just introducing with you these features and the true SMC concept. If you don't know the SMC trap, and if you don't know the liquidity trap, then you cannot be a profitable trader. You will get loses your equity. So for today, just introduce with you this session, and for every features or every this session I will uploaded video individually, so you can learn from my video. So for today, just follow my video and join with my Telegram channel, where I will give every signal and everything. Thank you very much.